We're on step 48. Now, I'm going to say right off the top that I'm deviating because I want to paint mine just a little bit different. The instructions in step 51, which we're going to get to later, ask us to paint the inside of the tubes with a paintbrush. I decided I wanted to spray paint mine, and I'm using silver on the inside like you see here. So instead of painting the silver second, I painted it first. And instead of using a paintbrush, I used aerosol, so you can get a nice smooth surface like you see right in here. Now I need to paint the outside, and you can see I've got silver overspray on my outside. And I had put white down first, but now I need to go back and repaint it white. So I'm going to mask off the inside perimeter, and then, as in step 38 says, we're going to use some paper to do some, wide masking. So I'm going to start by using blue painter's tape. Basically, I'm just going to shove it on the inside, let it expand, and then push it down. So basically, I'm sealing the inside, and I'm going to take a knife and I'm just going to trim. And I'm not trimming right up to the edge. I'm trimming a little bit past. I'm going to do the same over here. I just want to mask, what I'm looking for is to mask the edge, not so much the inside. You have to be careful with silver. There's different types of silver, and I couldn't tell you which is which, but sometimes if you put masking tape over the top of silver, it lifts up a bunch of the silver. So you just have to be aware of that. But I think this silver is going to be okay. So if I put some in there and I lift up my tape, I'm not seeing any flakes on there. Okay, so I got this side. Now I'll do the other side. Again, I just rolled it up, stuffed it in, and then just let it expand. Now this time I have this dowel, and the dowel's been working great. Okay, so at least all my edges, except for this one right here, are covered. Then I'm going to take the paper and roll that up. And then push that inside. It's going to be tighter. I'm going to cut some of this off. Okay, yeah, what I want to do is expand this as well, and that's why I cut a little bit off to make sure I could expand it. So now I got if I got any gaps, I don't want paint getting under there. So I'm going to switch to some skinnier tape. And I just want to tape down the blue tape to the paper. So basically, I've got a complete seal there. You can see I'm just kind of folding the tape over itself. Don't have a dowel here. I wish I did. Because what I'd like to do is take a dowel and really push on that edge to make sure that the tape is locked down on the inside, the blue tape. Okay, so now I can go out and paint this, and the inside is masked off. So, all right, so I'm spray painting. And first I test the wind. The wind is going that way, away from me, so I don't want to be breathing it. And that's it. I've done one. And so here it is. So now we're going to remove the paper and all the tape. And we'll see what we got. I can remove this. Okay, so this one I use some bluish color tape. That looks really good. Hopefully this side is just as good. Oh yeah. All right, so that turned out really well on the inside. And then my outside tape, peel this off. This is going to be the glue line. Remember there was 2 glue lines. Yeah. I'm going to have to work on that. I got a little bit of, remember when I glued my dowel on, I had a little bit too much glue and it glued to the paint. So I'm just scoring along the tape line. There we go. Now, you're wondering, is this the left side or the right side? Well, I had also took a piece of tape and I just drew a little L. And as I can tell that this is my left side because here's my little L. So that I can remember which one goes on the left of the rocket and which one goes on the right. and this is the left side. Here's my little L that I made. So hopefully you remember to do that. All right, so I'm going to go paint, and that's going to take us through step 51 because I've already painted the inside. And then in step 52, we've got to mask the rocket, and I'll do one on that. For painting the nozzle, the easiest way that I found is just taking a piece of paper, rolling it up, and then just shoving it into the front end. And that gives you a good handle so you can take your spray can and spray the rocket.